if those are not considered dark storm clouds, then I don't know what is. Storms brewing this evening. So that they are supposed to start in a little bit with like the highest. I just saw lightning over there. Like right over there. Looks like some rain is starting to fall way over there. Might hear a little bit of thunder. Storms were like a little bit to the north of here right now. Did say the highest percentage was at 7 or around 7, and it is just about 5:40 right now. Also said chances of storms at 6, 8, I believe 9 and 10. 7 definitely the highest, though. Can see more rain starting to fall way over there. For those that do not know, now you guys know that that is rain from what it looks like. Falling in the sky or falling out of the sky in the distance. Just to let you know, on camera the sky does not look as dark as it is through the naked eye in person, but that still does look dark on camera, just not as dark as it is off camera. Now some leaves are starting to fall from the trees and starting to pick up. So I am going to get inside. Just want to show you guys the storms brewing. Do not think I'm going to film the actual thunderstorm or storm once it gets here, unless it is something crazy or wild or an epic storm. Clouds do look crazy, though, I can tell you that. Also, I do not know if I mentioned, but there's a flash flood warning. Hopefully nothing crazy happens. I love a good summertime evening or nighttime thunderstorm. Those are my favorite.